Right, here we are at the Baymont Inn. Maybe Baymont Inn and Suites. This is at Branson on Main Street, Highway 76. I'm just staying here for one night, just for a few hours. Looks like the hotel is undergoing some renovations. See all the new furniture that they're fixing to put in. I do not know if this room has been refurbished yet or not. Standard old school swipe the card in there. Most places are going to the touch technology. Have a little area to hang stuff. It's an open area closet. Ironing board. Single light switch. This turns off that light. Check out the bathroom. Oh, we have a whirlpool bathtub down there. There you go. That's good. It keeps the I'm pretty tall and I'd hate to have to duck to get a shower, but a little bit loose. There's some water. Yeah, that is a very small leak. Let's give this a shot and see what happens. Yeah. Water pressure's decent on that setting. Yeah, that'll work. Very warm, that's good. So we got your towels, washcloth, tag to put on the door. It says don't bother changing stuff. Looks like we have face and body soap, makeup remover, conditioner, shampoo, and lotion. A little hair dryer. Sink is good. Kind of a older toilet, looks like. Check it out. So far, it appears pretty clean. Yep. This one have an old school flush to it. Like a 20-gallon tank on that. Jeez. That's the longest flush ever. But this hotel has been here for many, many years. Growing up, we came to Branson quite a bit in the early to mid 90s, and this place was here back then. So there's your bathroom. Not too bad. Here's the bedroom part. 2 queen beds. This little coffee maker comes with some different flavors of coffee. Basically medium roast and decaf. Looks like got some tea. Yeah. Iced bucket. The popular brand Sweet View TV. Channel list. A little envelope from the housekeeper. Alright, looks like we have a micro fridge with a tiny freezer in it, microwave. Nothing special on the drawers there. Table seating area. There's no thermostat on the wall, so this will be our thermostat here. Go ahead and pop this on. Here's what the outside looks like. There's Highway 76. Branson is deserted, except for that one van right there. Now, it's all the shows are closed due to the pandemic. As a matter of fact, I normally stay in Hilton hotels, but every single one is closed currently. So in this area, so I went on TripAdvisor. Or not TripAdvisor, I'm sorry, Hotwire, and scored this place for $60. And I've actually stayed here in the past and Of course, it's been 10 years. It wasn't bad back then. Let's see, we have different style pillows, so that's good. Let's take a look at the sheets. Place has pretty decent reviews. Everything looks clean here. No stains, no hairs, nothing miscellaneous. Under the sheet, we have a, not seeing a mattress protector per se. Oh, yeah, there it is. It's just too small for it. These mattresses look like they've been here a little while. I actually don't feel that bad. But your bedding is your, let's see, a little fluff that hangs on the end that probably is never washed. Don't know what that is. Stuck on there. It's not a bug. So we have a single layer sheet, a heavier cover, followed by another single sheet that's got thinning on it. It's not a stain, it's just really thin and about to tear. So, yeah. Old school clock and phone. You have your lamp with a couple outlets. Nothing super modern. Drawer with Bible. And that's really about it. Still stuck in the 90s, 80s maybe. Maybe you've refreshed the paint, added new headboards. Yeah, I do not know if this is the new furniture or not. Probably not, because that stuff looks pretty dated, I would say. So maybe they're fixing to do some refreshing to this place. The carpet looks new. It actually smells new in this whole floor. It smelled like new carpet, so maybe that was phase one. So there you have it. Baymont Inn and Suites in Branson, Missouri.